just another quick video to show you why your scrapper is so important. Had I not gotten there in time, these items would have ended up in a landfill, unrecycled. You know, how long does it take for this to break down? You know, I do what I can, but I'm just one guy. This right here is what Dublin hauling can do for you. All metal items and electronics I pick up for free. This excludes TVs. TVs cost money to dispose of. They charge me. Unfortunately, I have to charge you. But the rest of the items inside this truck are free removal. As you can see, grills, patio chairs, water heater, mini fridge, satellite dish, fire pit. There's another patio chair over there. There's a power washer in there, bed frame, and this was actually only took me about 2 hours to gather this material. So the next time you're getting ready to throw something away, you're in my area, it's Dublin, surrounding area, give me a ring. And for metal items, like I said, I just swing by and I pick them up. You get charged nothing, and you're doing something to help the environment. I don't know if you can hear the wind in the background. It's been raining and storming all day. So just to let you know, yes, I work when the weather's bad too. Coming up on Memorial Weekend here. I wish you guys a happy Memorial Day. God bless you all. Goodbye.